Ways that you can access one of the Downers Grove Public Library databases to help you with your research for your health project. The first way is to go to O'Neill's homepage and get to the library page. Then you're simply going to go to the library catalogs and select Downers Grove Public Library. The other way you could go is to simply type in dglibrary.org. Once you're on this page, you're going to click Research and All Databases. Because you're doing a health project, we're going to go over by the category where it says Search by Category. You're going to select that, scroll down until you get to the Health and Medicine. Then you're going to Apply Filter. At this point, you should come up with the Consumer Health Complete database. You will need to enter in your code that has been provided for you. Once you enter the code, you should see something that looks like this. At this point, you can search for one of your drugs. Let's say your drug is cocaine. At this point, you will see there are a lot of possibilities that are coming up. Okay? The best thing for you to do would be to start with encyclopedias, because if they have something in the encyclopedia tab, this will give you a nice overview of your drug. You scroll down, this one doesn't have a whole lot, all right? And that's fine. Some of them are going to have more than others. We're simply going to click on Result List, and now I'm going to click Reference Books. This is talking about addiction, and if you get here, this says cocaine, so I'm going to pick that. Once again, this does not have a whole lot of information, so that's fine. We're going to go back to the result list. And I'm going to go to Fact Sheet and Pamphlets. Here we've got something that says, talking about crack cocaine, we have cocaine abuse and dependence. And this is going to give us more information. All right, so you see, I had to select quite a few different ones before I was able to find one that gave me a lot of information. Another good place to check is this website right here, www.drugabuse.gov. Now this one might be blocked on some of your computers, so this one may not be the best source for some of you. So let's say you're interested in, we're still doing cocaine. So I'm going to search. Now if you see here, it says cocaine drug facts. When you see this one, when it's talking about drug facts, that's a really good place to start. This one's going to give you a whole lot of information. So this is excellent. Now the one with this though, if you're doing alcohol, this one's a little bit harder to find the information that you're looking for with alcohol. So if I were to select on alcohol right here, it doesn't give me that nice clean look that the other one did. So I'm going to have to do a little more investigating. So health effects of alcohol. This starts to give me more information. Still not a huge amount, right? So I'm going to have to dig a little bit more. So I'm going to go back to alcohol. If I click on just plain alcohol again, I can go to alcohol abuse and alcoholism. Now I get to facts about alcohol. Okay? So this one was a little bit harder to get into, right? But this is going to give a lot more information about it. So as I'm showing you, sometimes you're going to have to dig for this information. For vaping, you also need to type in e-cigarettes sometimes. Like this one says vaping devices, electronic cigarettes. So remember, there are different words for some of these things. All right, so the biggest thing that you need to take away is don't hesitate to dig in and look at the results that you get and make sure that you are spelling your topic correctly.